So I've put a few parts back on the car today just to see how they fit. Yeah, they're not fitting too well, so I've got to make a few modifications, but I thought I'd got to try them. Yeah, that's all we can do with that. And I also put, let's see if we can see it properly, the cowling up on the bench there. Got to do some work on that. Yeah, I need a lift actually. We lift part of it off so I can put a rubber seal in around it just to seal it so no water comes in, so it doesn't leak as such. And I've also got another part of a cowling on the bench there, which is the back part where the windscreen post fit, the hinges. I need to weld that up as well. But actually I could probably hold this and go a bit closer for you. Do my best anyway. So there you can see where it is. I'll just put my finger at it right there. There's a hole there. Now today I'm going to work on the cowl and put it back together again. First off, I'd like to show you a few pieces that have been, why I've changed it. I've had to cut it all out. This is the rust. Let me go up a bit higher up here. So you can see the rust section there. Now that's this section here which I've replaced in here. Okay, a lot of work, not easy to do, but I'm trying to persevere and do all this by myself without any help from anybody else if possible. Advice, yes, but I'm trying to do as much as I can myself. Now this part here is another part of the inside. This is the subframe, or sub chassis, which is all rotted out, and I've made that piece as well myself, and I use my own bender on that, which I will show you at a later stage. So today we're putting the fuel tank on the bottom of the car. Now I've had to cut some rubber to put around that. I'll find that for us. So here we go with some rubber. It's 25 1 inch wide by, what was it, 1 millimeter thick. So work that out, 25 mil by 1 mil thick. So work that out. Now all I have to do is I'll take this top off now, put the rubber on, and then put the top back on again. It's not light, but I should be able to manage it. Luckily, there's not too much rust in this at all. I've been very fortunate with that part. Is the only part of the cowling. A little bit on the fuel tank, which I've fixed, and there's another section here to go on the cowling, which holds the hinges and the windscreen frame, which is another piece I've just fixed today. So hopefully I can put it all together today. So that's the front done. That went on fairly easy, didn't it? Now we're going to do the inside. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pause the camera because you don't really want to see me or wait around for me to do that section. But once that's done, then we'll put you back online again and we'll go from there and see how we go. Okay?